I always tell my patients you need to keep a tight grip on your two highest priorities, which should always be feeling like you're going to be kept safe and maximizing the chances that you get what you wanted. I think that the most common cause that I see in my practice when patients come and want me to help them adjust an outcome that they achieved somewhere else is that they made a bad decision somewhere along the way because they got too attached to the road that they wanted to travel rather than keeping a tight focus on the destination that they wanted to get to. For example, it's common for a patient to come and see me after having 3 or 4 children, and they'll say, you know, I really want this to look the way it did before I had babies. And I'll examine them and determine that their best course of action is a tummy tuck. And they'll usually tell me, no, I saw on the internet that there was a woman who looked just like I want to look, and she had this other procedure. And you know, it just becomes a little difficult sometimes when they're really firmly committed to that pathway, and that path is not going to get them where they want to get. Often my role in their lives feels like I'm a travel agent, you know, and they come to me and they tell me I've got some money and I've got some time and I want to take a nice trip and I'd like to go see the Eiffel Tower and eat some French food, right? And I tell them, okay, well, you know, we're in Florida where I live, so you're going to have to get on a boat or an airplane and you need to budget this much time and this much money, but you know, I can set you up with a great vacation. And then they'll look at me and say, no, I wanted to drive. And I have to kind of explain to them that they can take a great vacation in Florida driving for an hour, but it's not going to be the Eiffel Tower and French food and stuff like that. You know, to get really good quality, really high degree of safety and achieve the best outcome, you're probably going to need to pay a little bit more than the lowest price you'll find.